3-letter words. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to stretch the sound. If you learn about the stretching method, you can see my previous video. Link is in description box. So, let's start the video. Bag. Dot. Zip. Bus. Web. Cub. Jet. Cut. Lip. Fox. Job. Mix. Jug. Tap. Red. Top. Nib. Bun. Can. Wax. Key. Bag. Hen. Big. Hot. Cub. Jam. Net. Fin. Dog. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive notification every time I release a new video.